In this second track of flow, we are going to start from the digital prototypes that you ended track number 1 with, and then see how we can also use those for marketing and e-commerce. Like I explained in the general promotion of flow, we are trying to build the fundamentals in such a way that you don't have to redo everything as soon as you expand. So ideally, you can now benefit from all the groundwork that you have laid in track number 1 in order to use digitization also in marketing, promotion, and e-commerce. We will start again with the basics. So that is looking at how you could use your digital designs in animation, in video, in social media. And again, of course, since this is about the workflow and how to optimize it, we will be looking at, are you going to do this internally or are you going to outsource this? And if so, how and what are important things that you need to understand and know. Then from there, we're taking it one step up and we are going to look at how you could optimize your digital prototyping process in such a way that you would have full virtual prototypes. So that means that you could sell already directly to the consumer before the product has even been made. As you can understand, that takes a different level of photorealistic prototyping that you might want to add on top of what you've done before in track 1 with the prototyping that you use internally. And again, we are going to look at how to structure this process, what are pitfalls, how can we minimize the risk that our virtual prototype does not resemble the actual shoe that will eventually come out of manufacturing. And we will talk to many different companies that have fantastic expertise already in this field, both brands that are doing this already, as well as companies that are developing virtual prototypes or develop software to make virtual prototypes. The next level that we are going to cover is customization. What if you want to have the consumer interact with your digital virtual prototype? How do you organize that? Again, we will look at this process from many different angles, not just from the technology side, also from the organizational side, the financial side, and of course the marketing side. How can you have people interact with your designs but still get to the quality that you envision, still enhance the brand image that you envision? From there, our final step in this track is to look at digitization for the e-commerce process as such. So which solutions do we have for digital retail? How will they advance in the future? What will that mean for you as a company? What will that mean for your organization, the technology, etc.? And we will also look at which tools are available to us now and in the near future that will optimize our e-commerce process. For instance, how can we prevent returns by making sure that a consumer buys the right size? How can we make sure that consumers can find the shoes that match their specific preferences? And also the part that we think will progress even further after Corona crisis, and that is about how you present your shoes online. How could you enhance your online buying experience for your customer and maybe even include virtual reality, augmented reality into this entire process?